Polyco Healthline is a reliable, innovative PPE and hygiene solution business. We pride ourselves on our internal team, looking at that from a service point of view, sales, procurement, delivering you the best product at the best price possible, coupled with this amazing warehouse we have here and the 5 other warehouses that we have on site.
We aspire to keep people clean and safe. So whether it's microprocessing chips, whether it's food, whether it's pharmaceuticals, we're trying to keep those industries safe. In the nuclear industry, for example, we want to make sure that the people that are engaging with those very harmful materials are also kept safe. Polyco Healthline in a nutshell is a vertically integrated business that has the ability to not only manufacture, but operationally move product through a system, technically get it over the finish line of compliance, make sure that it has fully integrated business systems that keep us compliant to governmental regulation and customer requirements that ultimately keep the end users safe.
Innovation is really key at Polyco Healthline. We have many competitors, which means we need to be ahead of the game, developing new products, looking for gaps in the market. We also need to keep in mind that we are trying to use sustainable practices and ultimately provide the best for our customers.
From a sustainability point of view, Polyco Healthline has years of having solar panels on the warehouse that I stand within today, LED lighting that is censored, so when the aisle isn't being used it turns off, and then when it is being used it turns back on to save energy, as well as our electric car fleet. We have a huge focus, and it's ingrained within our DNA, to look at all areas of innovation, and you can see that through the fibre project that we have here on site in Bourne, or SafeDon, which is a global product now. SafeDon is cuff first dispensing system, which allows you to only touch the first cuff that's being dispensed, and as it's cuff first, it also means that you're only dispensing one at a time. Because you're dispensing one glove at a time, there's up to 30% reduction in wastage. You can fit double the amount on a container, which from a carbon footprint point of view and a cost point of view is absolutely massive. And there's up to 96% reduction in hospital-acquired infections. And with the recent pandemic, that shows just how important SafeDon is.
Bringing together our portfolio managers and our sales teams to collaborate with our customers and our end users, that's what drives innovation. And that is what we're putting a lot of our energy into right now. When we've got the background of here, what we have right behind me right now, the labs, our technical team is immediately available to be able to support the actual progression of that innovation. That for me, again, just makes it such a compelling team.
One of the best things about working at Polyco Healthline is the people. We are a diverse bunch who bring all sorts of skills and talents, diverse ideas. I think there's genuine care for one another. It feels like a family environment.
Polyco Healthline wouldn't be anything without its people, and I mean that whether that's internally or externally.
And that's what makes this place a fantastic place to work, is we've got such a wonderful atmosphere, we've got a good energy, we've got a diversity within our team culturally and age-wise that gives us the right level of experience, enthusiasm, energy to be able to confront any challenges that are coming our way. And that for me is what really helps make this place a fantastic place to work.
And ultimately that means that we can develop the best products and best services for our customers.
Because we truly care about everything we do here, and we're one big family.
There's a very good book written by a chap by the name of Jim Collins called Good to Great. What he says in that book is that you need to get the right people on the bus. And what Polyco has is the right people on the bus. We have an organisation that has got its ear to the ground. We have an exec that is connected to our team, and we have a team that has got an ear up to the exec. That really does separate us from a lot of our competition.
The future for Polyco Healthline is a very exciting one, with the fibre machine here in Bourne, which is likely to replace billions of single-use plastic with fibre, which will then decompose in your garden within 30 days. That, coupled with SafeDon, as well as looking to expand our global footprint, is something that we're really excited about for the coming years.
Whatever you are going to do it with all your heart. Do it passionately. Just do it the best you can.